Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to this week's edition of the check-in. So, moving into next week, which I'll open it today, exam 2 begins. And luckily for all of you, I have posted a study guide for the final exam and exam 2. So, these terms are what you're going to see in the final exam and in exam 2. So, study them, make sure you know them, use them to your advantage. I think they're common terms that you see in the course. They're common terms you're going to see in the textbook, so be sure to know what they mean. Moving forward, make sure you finish your second exam, which is due a week from tomorrow. Date, it is December 3rd, so make sure you have that exam due and done by December 3rd since it's due that day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. It is a lockdown browser, so I'll put the password in the announcement section, so be sure you use that same password and use the correct capitalization as well, because that's what we run into when there's issues there. But reach out if you have any questions, if you have any glitches or anything like that. Also reach out. I look forward to seeing some great grades, and make sure you finish what was due this week as well, which was your review questions and the lecture questions. Hope you have a good rest of the week. Hope you had a good holiday. Thanks for all you're doing. Appreciate everything.